ADP mobile app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, let's check if our ADP application is not updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for ADP app. If it shows update instead of open, tap on to update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings. And here scroll below onto apps and search for ADP Mobile. Tap onto ADP Mobile application's name and tap onto storage. Here clear the data if you have any and make sure that you remember your credentials. Come back and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Then get logged into your ADP Mobile app and that will definitely fix your problem. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.